In the morning, eat these 4 things together and your belly fat will disappear quickly. Belly fat is difficult to get rid of, but the combination of these 4 things can solve it easily. This drink will burn fat deposits by boosting the metabolism and it will cause no side effects. Watch till the end of the video to know how to use it effectively in 10 days. The first ingredient of this recipe is banana. Eating a large banana provides your body with nearly 500 mg potassium. Potassium may enhance your metabolism, making the fat burning process happen faster. Consumption of bananas also decreases the feeling of hunger. This makes you eat less, which in turn also helps reduce belly fat. Now, prepare 1 banana and peel it. Then, cut the banana flats into small pieces. Put the banana flats into a bowl and let aside. We will use it in the last step. Next, cut the banana peel into small pieces. Put the banana peel into a saucepan. The next ingredient of this recipe is lemon. Lemons are an excellent liver detoxifier. A healthy liver is extremely important for maintaining the ability of the body to digest food and burn fat. Since lemons prevent fat accumulation in the body, they are great for weight loss. Also, lemons help to increase the metabolic rate, thus allowing you to burn more calories and store less fat. Lemons can also slow down the rate of starch digestion, helping to keep your blood sugar levels in balance. This prevents insulin spikes and decreases fat storage. Now, prepare 1 lemon and cut it in half. Squeeze lemon juice into a bowl. Let it aside and cut lemon peel into small slices. Put lemon peel into the saucepan. Then, add 1 cup of water. Bring the saucepan to a boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat and simmer the ingredients for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the saucepan from the heat and strain the liquid. Pour the liquid into a blender. Then, add the banana flats. Add lemon juice. Next, prepare 1 lemon and cut it into small pieces. Apples are high in pectin, which limits the amount of fat the cells can absorb. Many studies have found that Eating an apple half an hour or an hour before a meal has a result of cutting the calories of the meal. Put the banana into the blender. Next, prepare a 1-inch piece of ginger and cut it into small slices. Due to gingerol in ginger, the food is digested faster in your body, and it also enhances your metabolic rate. Ginger also suppresses your appetite or aid in losing belly fat. Put ginger into the blender. Blend all ingredients until smooth. Pour the drink into a cup and consume it immediately. You should drink 1 cup every morning for 10 days. Then you will get results.